IC Markets is an online Forex and CFD broker that provides traders with access to a wide range of financial markets. To use IC Markets effectively, follow these steps. Open and fund your account. First, open a live trading account on the IC Markets website. Once approved, fund your account via bank transfer, credit card, or e-wallets. Download trading platform. IC Markets offers multiple platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. Download the platform of your choice from the IC Markets website. Set up your trading platform. Install and log into the platform using the login credentials provided by IC Markets. You can customize the platform to your preferences and set up your trading environment. Select a trading asset. Choose from a wide range of financial instruments, including forex pairs, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Analyze the market. Use the built-in tools in the trading platform, such as technical indicators, charts, and news feeds to analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. Place trades. Once you've chosen your asset and analysis, place a trade by selecting the type, lot size, and stop loss or take profit orders to manage risk. Monitor and close trades. Monitor your trades and adjust them as necessary. You can close trades manually or let them run until they reach your set targets.